Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Exercise 11.4. First bit, evaluate the following. First problem, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Solution for first bit, first problem, given 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta, sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta, 1 plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin, that's why we can write 1 by sin theta. Now we have to take the LCM separately. Here cos theta is the LCM. Here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into here LCM sin theta, here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Just we have to change this order, sin theta plus cos theta. These we can change like this, sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. Just I changed the order. So sin theta plus cos theta, here sin theta plus cos theta, same. So these are a plus b into a minus b. We can write like this, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by sin theta cos theta, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the formula. This is in the form of a plus b, so we can expand as a plus b. A in place of a sin theta, in place of b cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square 1 by sin theta cos theta. Here I expanded like this, a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2ab. I have written b square last term in second position. You try to understand this. To know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why I have written like this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta same, so we can cancel. That is equal to 2. This is the answer. Second problem, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Solution for a second problem, given sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, we can expand this using the formula a plus b whole square. Then we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. If there is minus here we get minus 2ab. This is the formula for these two cases. Now we can expand like this: sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus this one sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, these two cancel, plus sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this is the formula. So 1 plus 1 2, so this is the answer. Second bit, third problem, sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Solution for a second bit, third problem, given sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. We know the formula sec square theta minus 1 tan square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 cot square theta, cot square theta, because since sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, since, and cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. These are two formulas. Now we have to change this cot square theta in terms of tan square theta. Tan square theta into cot square is equal to, cot square is reciprocal of tan square, so we can write tan square theta 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta, tan square theta cancel 1, so this is the answer. Second problem, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Solution for second problem, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. To show this, I will take LHS and show RHS. LHS is equal to given cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that's why we can write 1 by sin theta, minus cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta whole square. LCM of these like fractions. Subtraction of difference of numerators by common denominator sin theta whole square. We can write this square for both numerator and denominator. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. We can write 1 minus cos theta like 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, so we can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So we can write it 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. One minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS. Therefore, this is RHS, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, hence proved. Question number 3. Show that under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. Solution for third problem. Show that 1 plus under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. This we have to show. To show this, I will take LHS and show RHS. This LHS under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Rationalize the denominator. Now I will rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator rational factor of 1 minus sin A is 1 plus sin A. So I will rationalize this denominator with 1 plus sin A. Then under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A plus by 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A whole square by A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin square A. Now apply this square root for numerator and denominator separately. Under root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A under root of this 1 minus sin square A cos square A. We know 1 minus here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. That's why I substituted cos square A. The square root for square cancel. Here 1 plus sin A by cos A. We can write separately this 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We know A plus B by C is equal to A by C plus B by C. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. This is RHS. Here given RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 4. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Solution for fourth problem. Here I will take LHS. LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. Now I will change this cot square in terms of tan square. 1 minus tan square A by 1 by tan square A. Cot is reciprocal of tan. That's why cot square A is equal to 1 by tan square A minus 1. Now 1 minus tan square A by, I will take LCM here. Here tan square LCM, tan square A LCM, 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A, this we have to write reciprocal into tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. So here 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A, both will cancel. So that is equal to tan square A. This is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 5. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta sin theta. Solution for fifth problem. LHS, here 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Taking LCM of this, cos theta is the LCM, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta by cos theta. We know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta we can write sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. We know sin theta by cos theta, tan theta, sin theta. So we got tan theta sin theta is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 6. Simplify sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Solution for sixth problem. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. This is given. You have to multiply like this, sec A minus sec A into sin A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A is equal to, sec is the reciprocal of cos, that's why we can write 1 by cos A into sin A. Sec A plus tan A, that is equal to 1 into sin A sin A. This will change in this. Sec A minus sin A by cos A into sec A plus tan A. Now sec A sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A. This is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. Then we can write A square minus B square, sec square A minus tan square A. So sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. We know the formula, sec 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, then sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Therefore this is the answer. Seventh problem, prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Solution for seventh problem. LHS, I will take LHS and show RHS. LHS, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. This is LHS. I will expand using A plus B whole square. We know A plus B whole square is equal to A square sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. I applied formula like this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, like this applied. Sin square cos square, sin square A plus cos square A. We know cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square A. This is the formula. Plus 2 sin A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sin, so that's why we can write 1 by sin A plus cos square already written. Sec, we have formula for sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. We have formula plus 2 cos A. So cos is the reciprocal of sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So we can write 1 by cos A. Sin square plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus this 1 plus cot square A. This sin cancel. Here 2, here 1 tan square A, cos cancel, plus 2, 1 2 4 5 7. So 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Just we have to arrange like this. 7 plus tan square A cot square A. This is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 8. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Solution for 8th problem. Given 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. First we have to simplify this using A minus B into A plus B whole square form. 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here we used A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This we know. Sin square theta, cosec is the reciprocal of sin, that's why cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Sin square cancel, is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Question number 9. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Solution for 9th problem. We know that relation between sec theta and tan theta formula: sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Then we can write a plus b into a minus b. So we can expand this: sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Then here we want sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta minus tan theta is equal to formula 1 by this into quantity become minus quantity. So 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. So basing these formulas, if given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta, that is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p is given. So 1 by p. This is the answer. 1 by p is the answer. Question number 10. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Solution for 10th problem. Given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then this is equation 1. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. We can write like this. This is equation 2. Because since cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta, that's why in place of cosec theta plus cot theta we can write to k, 1 by k. This is the reason. While adding this equation 1 plus equation 2, then these will cancel. 1 cosec theta, 1 cosec theta, 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k, that is equal to LCM k square plus 1. This is equation 3. Now we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Then cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. This is equation 1. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. This is equation 2. While subtracting, we have to change the signs which we are subtracting. So these will cancel. This is 1 cot theta, 1 cot theta, 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. Taking LCM of this, k into k square minus 1. This is equation 4. Dividing equation 3 and 4, 3 by 4, then equation 3, 2 cosec theta by this is 2 cot theta. On right side, k square plus 1 by k. Here right side, k square minus 1 by k. Now to cancel. Cosec theta we can write 1 by sine, 1 by sine theta by cot theta, cos theta by sine theta, that is equal to k square plus 1 by k. We can write reciprocal this, k by k square minus 1. These will cancel, so that is equal to, here we have to reciprocal this 1 by sine theta into sine theta by cos theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. Sin theta cancel. 1 by cos theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. But we have to solve cos theta. So cos theta is equal to reciprocal of this, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we proved, hence proved. Friends, I think you understood each and every explanation what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.